Hi guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to log into Clever and so that you can get into your Lexia app and Zearn. Okay, so Zearn will be used for math time. Okay, and that's when you will only need this login for Clever, and Lexia will be used for ELA. Okay, and this is when you'll use this card that I gave you guys. Okay, so step one, you're first of all going to need your Clever login that I gave you guys. It should be on a blue laminated paper. It looks like this. It has your Burton email, and it has your password. So it starts with STU and it has 6 numbers. Okay, you will use this to log into Zearn, and yours says that just like that. Okay, so you're going to look for the Clever app. It looks like that. You will then click Clever. Okay, it says log in with your username and password. You'll click that. After that, you will click log in with Google, and that's where you will choose that's where you'll type in your Burton login. Okay, so mine's already there, as you can see. So I'm gonna click there. Once you log in, it'll take you to this. It's loading. Okay, so mine looks a little bit different because I'm the teacher, but you guys should have this exact page right here. So when you log in, it'll look just like that. Okay, so first let's go over Lexia. Okay, so Lexia, this is going to be used for ELA. It's for reading. Okay, it says Lexia Core 5. It looks like that. It has a picture of the globe. That is when this comes into play. Okay, so you'll click this, and the only thing that you'll use to log in is this username. Okay, it doesn't require a password, at least it shouldn't. Okay, once you log in, it'll look like this. Okay, and now I'm the teacher, so it doesn't ask me, but what it will ask you guys is to, basically it's gonna make you guys take a little test, okay, to see where you're at. And parents, I hope you're listening to this, but this is very important that your child does it by themselves, because this will basically place them into a level of their reading level that will help them exceed in class. Okay, so this needs to be done by the student. Okay, if it's done by the parent, then that means all the work that they do on Lexia will be too hard for them to do, and it'll frustrate them throughout the whole year. Okay, and you're only allowed to do the test one time. So I highly recommend you just let your child do it by themselves. Okay, whatever they know, answer it. There's no right or wrong answer. It's gonna place them at their level. Okay, so these are the separate levels that there are. Okay, mine is educator mode. You guys are gonna be student mode. Okay, so these are the different levels. You guys will all be placed at a certain level, okay, once you take your test. Okay, and then the next thing that you're gonna need, let me get out of Lexia. Okay, so you're gonna get out of Lexia, go back to Clever. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about how to get onto Zearn. So Zearn, you don't need a password. That's why I only included the Clever, because you will only need this to get into Zearn. Okay, so once again, you're gonna log in just like you did. Yours should be saved already once you log in once. Okay, you're gonna go down. Zearn is the very last app. It should be the very last app. It looks like that. Okay, that's gonna be used for math time. It has a Z with an arrow. Click Zearn, and then it'll load. Once it loads up, mine's gonna look a little bit different. Mine's the teacher view. Okay, once it loads up, you should be ready to go. Okay, so mine looks a little bit different. But like I said, you do not need a separate login for Zearn. Once you have your Clever login, you should be ready to go, okay? So if you have any questions, just reach out to me. But you will be using this. Lexia will be used for ELA, okay? And then Zearn, which is, you only need this login, will be used for math time. Okay, Zearn is all about math. Okay? So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? Thank you, bye.